guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I have deals from Target as well as deals from Whole Foods. Now, I have not done videos for Target and Whole Foods before, so I'm curious, are you guys interested in these? Do you want me to do more of them? Yes, no? Please let me know down below in the comments. I was able to find some great deals over at Target as well as Whole Foods. I got almost the entire haul for free, so I'm excited to tell you about that. Before I get into the details, I would like to ask that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's talk about Target. So when you're couponing at Target, you have a few different options. You can use the Target Circle app, where you can get percentages off of items as well as digital coupons. You can also use coupons from inserts as well as printable coupons at Target. And then, of course, you can pair that with cash back apps. So this week, Target has a really great Target Circle offer for $10 off when you spend $50 or more on food or beverage purchases. So if you're planning to spend close to $50, make sure you get to that $50 mark. That way you can get $10 off. A couple deals that I didn't do that I want to mention real quick. They have their Good and Gather whole turkeys for 79 cents a pound. They also have their Good and Gather shredded cheese and the block cheese for $1.99. As well as the corn meatless patties. Those are on sale this week for $3.69, and Ibotta is giving $2 back, making that product just $1.69. All right, so let me tell you about the deals that I did get at Target. So the Barilla Ready Pasta, these are priced at $1.19, and Ibotta is giving back 75 cents on each of these. My offer was a limit of 5. I grabbed 3 of them, making them each 44 cents. And this is something that's super easy to make and has almost zero cleanup. So if that's something you're looking for, you might appreciate that product. Another really great deal is on these Quaker Kids Organic Bars. These are priced at $3.99 each. And when you buy 2, Swagbucks is giving $10 back. So if you can do that quick math, you know that makes this free plus a moneymaker. So $3.99 times 2 is $7.98. You get the $10 back, making this $1.02 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have Swagbucks yet, I have included my referral link that you can use in the video description below. And you should get some extra Swagbucks for using that referral link. Another moneymaker over at Target this week are these core bars. You can find this in the refrigerated section near the produce. So these are on sale, 2 for $4, and just buying one, it does ring up for $2. And Ibotta is giving $2.49 back. Now, when I submitted this, it also gave me 10 cents back for buying any type of snack bar. Well, I guess it could have been on this, but my receipt did give me 10 cents back. So without that, it would make it a 49-cent moneymaker. With that 10 cents, of course, a 59-cent moneymaker on the core bar. Now, the razors. So this week, the razors are buy 3, get a $5 Target gift card. Now, this razor in particular is priced at $4.99. So 3 of these is going to be just short of $15. It's $14.98. But there are $3 printables on coupons.com. There's also a $3 digital on the Target Circle app. So you'll use 2 printable $3 off 1 coupons. You'll use 1 digital $3 off 1. You will pay $5.98. You'll get a $5 gift card back, making these razors just 32 cents per pack. So great deal on razors. Next up, the Nature Valley products. Now, the crunchy ones, not these, but the ones that say Nature Valley Crunchy, they are priced at $2.79, and there's a 35% off Target Circle offer. There's also $1 off 2 printable coupons that you can find on coupons.com. So if you use both of those, that makes it $3.46 for both, or I'm totally lying to you, the 35% off with the $1 off coupon would make it $2.60 for both, or just $1.31 each. Now, if you happen to grab this kind of Nature Valley bar, these are just 20% off on the Target Circle app. So not as good of a deal, but if this is the product you prefer, there is still a good deal on them. So 20% off with the $1 off coupon makes these $3.46 for each, or for both, or $1.73 each. So if what I just said was totally confusing because I was tripping over my words, check out the Google Doc and you will see it written in plain English without me screwing it up. All right, also, there is a deal on Nexus hair care products. They are buy one, get one half off. That's the Target sale deal this week. And there are $5 off coupons. So you can print one coupon off of coupons.com and use one digital $5 off coupon. If you do that, you can get these for an amazing price. So these are originally $11.99, but with the buy one, get one half off, you would pay $11.99 for one, $5.99 for the other, $17.98 total, minus the $5 digital, minus the $5 printable, you pay $7.98 for both, or just $3.99 each. And I actually love this hairspray. There's the comb through finishing mist, and then there's the maximum for the stronger hold. I like both of these products, so that's a great deal. All right, so that's it for Target. Now let me tell you about Whole Foods. Like I said, where I live, they are right next to each other, so it was super simple to run in there and grab a couple of things while I was out. I noticed on my Ibotta app, there was a coupon for, or a rebate for buy one, get one free. So these are $2.29 each. I bought 2 of them. Ibotta gave me $2.29 back, but there's also an offer for a free one on the Coin Out app. So I submitted my receipt to Coin Out and used this offer, and so I got $2.29 back on Coin Out, making both items completely free. If you've never used the Coin Out app, I have the referral link in the video description. I also have a complete video on how to use the Coin Out app in my YouTube videos. All right, next up, this was just a total freebie after the Ibotta offer. So these crisp breads, these are $3.29, and Ibotta was giving $3.29 back, making this completely free. The core bars, I just happened to find these marked on clearance. So there were a few that were regular price. These were 3 for $5.05, and Ibotta is giving $1.50 back on each of these. So that made all 3 of these bars just 55 cents or 18 cents each. So I am still tracking towards that spend or buy 30 offers and get $10 back. So this was a great addition to get me closer to getting that bonus. Last up were these Pipcorn Heirloom Crunchies. So I saw an Ibotta offer for buy one, get one free. It was $4 back. Well, when I got to the store, they were on sale 2 for $6. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and give them a try. Well, the Makeena app, which is an app that I'm going to tell you about here in just a minute, the Makeena app was giving back $1 as well. So there were 2 for $6. I got $4 back on Ibotta. I got $1 back on the Makeena app, making it just $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Now, the Makeena app is a great app if you purchase organic products. So if you are someone who shops at Whole Foods quite a bit, or Sprouts, or anywhere that sells organic products, even your local grocery store, if you're buying organic produce, you want to check out the Makeena app. Again, the referral link will be in the video description below, but you can get cash back on just buying regular organic veggies. So I think in the app right now, there's one for apples and green beans and ginger, all sorts of fresh fruits and vegetables that if you purchase organic products, you're going to get cash back through the app. But then they also have offers on other products, even including vitamins, supplements, and clothing. I mean, they have so mmany different things. I don't hear a lot of people talking about that app, so definitely check it out if you haven't already, and snag yourself some 50-cent pipcorn this week. I think that was all. Let me know if you want to see more Target and or Whole Foods videos from me in the future. If you have any questions, please let me know. I really appreciate you guys watching. One last thing, if you have not stopped by my Facebook page, please do so. It is facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I am also posting fairly consistently over on Instagram, which is Save with Christina. Thank you guys.